We are not currently under this advisory, but starting tomorrow at 6 a.m., we're going to be under a winter weather advisory that's blanketing most of our viewing area, give it minus Crawford and Jasper counties. They are not under this winter weather advisory. This advisory will last until 3 a.m. the following morning. That'll be Thursday morning, and it'll bring snow and ice, which will make commuting very difficult and very slippery out there on the roads. Now, it's surprisingly, this is not the system here that's bringing us the snow. We're seeing developing snowfall and rainfall in Colorado and in New Mexico that's developing and will make its way eastward to central Illinois, which will bring us that snow and ice that we'll see tomorrow. Now, we're going to be seeing the snow and ice in the afternoon and evening hours as we make our way throughout the day, but most likely we're going to be seeing wintry mix in the afternoon, early evening, and then eventually a transition to snow for the late evening hours as we make our way throughout the day tomorrow. But the reason why we're seeing this wintry mix and not just snow is because we're staying right around this freezing point consistently throughout the day tomorrow with a high of 33 degrees tomorrow. So we'll be seeing wintry mix and colder temperatures throughout the day tomorrow. Now, starting off our day tomorrow and around the morning commute, we're going to be seeing mostly cloudy skies, so you won't have to deal with these slippery roads just yet. But as we move throughout the day, we're going to see that snow begin to affect the western portions of our viewing area around 10 a.m. And this snow will begin to make its way across the viewing area as widespread snowfall, but we'll also see ice along I-70. This ice will affect this road significantly as we make our way throughout the day tomorrow, and the snow will continue to make its way eastward as we move into the early evening hours in that evening commute. So we will still be affected by the snow and ice for that evening commute, and that ice will still be affecting that I-70 corridor as we make our way through the day tomorrow. Now, this snow will begin to dissipate and make its way further eastward and out of our viewing area by the late evening hours, leaving us with mostly cloudy skies for our evening hours. But tomorrow, as of ice, we're going to be seeing a trace to around 0.2 of an inch of ice along that I-70 throughout the day tomorrow, but there is still that chance of ice and wintry mix across the rest of the viewing area. Now, as for snowfall throughout the day, we're going to be seeing around the trace south of I-70 and along I-70 and just north of I-70, 1 to 2 inches of snow throughout the day tomorrow. And north of that, around Champaign County, we'll be seeing 2 to 4 inches of snow throughout the day. Now, this snowfall will be making its way through the area throughout the entire day tomorrow, but for the most part, 1 to 2 inches across the entire viewing area tomorrow. Now, looking past that on Thursday, we're going to see temperatures begin to drop down into the 20s for our high of 20 degrees on Thursday, but we're going to see temperatures significantly drop down for our low, a low of 10 degrees Thursday evening. But as we move into Friday, we'll see a slight warm up with a high of 33 degrees to finish off our work week, but we will see a chance of wintry mix once again Friday evening. And then on Saturday, a slight warm up, which will leave us with rainfall on Saturday, but then temperatures will cool back off, which will leave us with snow Saturday evening. Now, our temperatures might be warming up as we move into the weekend, but they will drop off below average for the next 6 to 10 days. The average for this time of year is typically in the low to mid 40s. And looking forward, we're definitely going to be below the mid 40s looking forward. Now, we're going to see the high of 20 degrees on Thursday, slight warm up into Saturday with that chance of wintry mix. And then on Sunday, temperatures will start to plummet with a high of 21 degrees on Sunday, with a low temperature that night of 0 degrees, eventually still cooling down on Monday with a high of 10 degrees. And then by next Tuesday, we're going to be seeing a high of 9 degrees and possible lows in the negatives.